Look at Yana. She's always on the go, running her coaching business while traveling the world. From Paris to Italy to Asia, Yana's schedule is packed with client calls, content creation, and keeping her business thriving. But here's the challenge. Her visuals need to stay professional and brand aligned to attract the right clients. Traditional photo shoots, too expensive, time-consuming, and just not practical for someone who is always on a move. That's where I stepped in. With the remote photo shoots, Yana doesn't have to worry about finding a studio or photographer wherever she goes. In Paris, we created stunning visuals for her website. In Italy, we captured photos perfect for her social media and presentations. And in Asia, we made sure her brand stayed consistent, all while she focused on her business. All she needed was her phone, a tripod, and internet connection. I guided her through every step remotely. And she received high-quality edited photos ready to use. No stress, no wasted time, just professional visuals that work for her brand. Ready to shoot? Give me a shout.